How you doing, everybody? We're at a facility in Central Florida right now where one of the trucks is getting hit by rodents, which is normal. It's not just one company, it's all of them. So this particular front end loader, we're gonna do behind the lights. We're gonna do the transmission harness, the battery box. We're gonna go inside. We're gonna do the computers, the rails. They like to run in those rails right there, vertical rails, and these back rails through here. We're gonna do the undercarriage. We're gonna do underneath here, the clamshell. We're gonna do all the different lights. See how they're all out for us? We're gonna spray in there and camera wires and what have you. And we're gonna come on around and we're gonna do the same to this side. We're gonna go up the compartment wise. They like to run up and down in these verticals, and we're into the frame on this side. We're gonna come in here, we're gonna do the backboard, all the wires. We're gonna hit the cab. They've already got the doghouse open for us, so we're gonna get in there around the tires and what have you. Stand by.